So, this time on our podcast, we have Zeel Shah, who is a visionary when it comes to social development. She's a lawyer by profession and she's driving grassroots change across Gujarat through her multiple foundations and the work that she's doing. So, one of those foundations that I came across is Sahay, and Sahay really helps make an impact in the lives of children who are not as privileged as our children and our bachas. So we're going to talk about how to inculcate those habits in our children and where it starts. I'm going to take advice from her. And I think as parents, that's the most important thing that you can teach our children. And for that, a conversation with somebody like her who's doing so much, and which is what I would hope my child to be, or at least do as part of their lives. Let's see how we can shape our children to be just like Zeel. So when we talk about expertise in different fields, right? So I would say Zeel's expertise is giving back and how to do that optimally as to how it benefits the people who are getting what they need. So with regards to that, my question to you, Zeel, is how do we inculcate this habit or this nature of giving back in our children at home?
I think it begins at home. Number one, you don't have to go to UN or you don't have to come to Sahay or any other organization because you have a staff, you have a driver, you have your maid, you have your uh, jhadu pocha wali didi. So I think number one is you yourself behave so nice with the staff that you have or the less privileged people that you have in your home or the staff. And then during the festivals, I'm sure a lot of people do it, but they do it on their own. I would insist that how I was brought up was Uttarayan ke pehle chikki, ganna, bor. My dad will give it to me and then I will give it to all the staff. And that stayed with me. So today at 33, before Uttarayan, I buy things for my staff and then I give it because somebody taught me to give them. So I would say it always begins at home. तो पहले घर से ही start होता है. कोई भी charity हो that it begins at home. So number one that. Number two, you can choose. There are people, there are kids who are around you. It can be a watchman ka bachcha. It can be your driver ka bachcha. कोई भी. And tell your kid if she or he can help them out with the studies. Let's begin with a small poem. Because वो नहीं करते हम लोग. Parents को usually होता है that what if the conversation with a staff ke bachche is not good. What will it's sometimes it happens, but you need to realize that because of this issue, they understand discrimination from beginning on. So वो gap करने के लिए. And if you want your kid, and I have seen so many kids coming to Sahay doing internship at the age of 16, 17, 18, and they come with this attitude that we are not going to talk to these kids in slum. So you give us the work which is a little easier. Let's say event का काम दे दो, ये काम हम नहीं करेंगे. क्योंकि उनको बचपन से सिखाया कि हम बात नहीं करते उनसे. So you have to remove that thing. So that also again happen in the home. And then come to NGO, celebrate your birthday with the kids in orphanage. Go to take them to old age home. Teach them how to plant a tree, nurture the tree. तो ये बहुत मैटर करता है यार. तो घर से ही होता है और घर से सहाय तक की दूरी वो आपके यहाँ होती है. So I think it's about inculcating values and it begins at home and how you behave with your staff and inculcating values of giving during the festivals, birthdays, death anniversaries. तो वो फिर रहता है.
Okay, another important thing. This is something we spoke about, and which is why we had you here. Now, for you, giving back is mainly about education. That's
Yes.
my conversation.
Yes.
So, what I would like to understand is why education. Tell us more about what Sahay does. So, if our parents also they give gifts,
Okay.
I was one of those parents.
Yes.
If I helped out, I would give things like soaps because I would think hygiene isn't proper. I would go and give biscuit packets, like you said. But that, from my conversation, I understood is very short term.
Exactly. So, very basic. I'll be very honest that, okay, what Sahay does is we have slum schools, we have adopted some municipal schools, we have 250 kids that we are nurturing, we give them hopes. But because you were telling that, what if your kids want to come to Sahay? Very basically, don't come with biscuits, don't come with pity. Come with an aspect, come with an intention to share your values. तो आपने जैसे बोला that you went to slum because you believe in hygiene and you went and distributed soaps. यार soaps तो मिलते हैं उनको, 5 रुपए में 10 रुपए में मिल जाता है. But what will matter is, हम लोग ने अभी रिसेंट एक इंटर्नशिप में we did a street play. तो उसमें क्या हुआ, बच्चे 16, 17, 18 year old kids, they prepared kind of a street play of hygiene values, कि अपनी शेरी को क्लीन करना चाहिए, कचरा कचरे के कूड़े में डालना चाहिए. तो इसका छोटा सा हमने प्ले किया एंड देन वी डिस्प्लेड दैट इन द स्ट्रीट. एंड आई एम नॉट किडिंग, घर से जो बच्चा निकलता है, घर की वो जो मम्मियां है, हाइजीन का इश्यू कहीं पे भी जाओ सभी जगह होता है. तो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट एफर्ट दैट माई इंटर्न्स डिड इट एंड दे वर 16, 17, 18 years old. तो वो जो एफर्ट थी उसकी वजह से नाउ दैट स्ट्रीट, वो जो छोटी सी चाली है, दैट इज रियली क्लीन एंड आई कैन शो यू कि वो ऑलरेडी उनमें इंकलकेट हो गया बिकॉज somebody did that. तो अगर आपको आना है, come with a purpose of doing something sustainable. Yes, food matters to us, food matters to the kids, but वो भी I would suggest my donors के भाई आप बिस्किट लेके मत आओ, come with orange. तो जो come with milk, I tell my donors के अगर बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करिए तो come with अमूल मिल्क, क्योंकि वो घर पे उनके मिलता नहीं है. One shocking thing, अगर 8 या 9 लोगों का बस्ती में घर है, they will have one अमूल मिल्क की वो एक थैली में, and then they will make tea and all the kids, elders, dada dadi, they all share that. This is a truth, this is a reality of each home in the slum. So if you are coming to celebrate the birthday, don't insist that I want to bring a muffin or a cupcake. Bring milk, bring orange, bring mango, which can be helpful for such kids. So donation karna because you like doing it is very different, but to do something out of a sustainable way is very important. So I always feel that आप लोगों को through Sunshine Lab, I want to tell everyone that if you're doing something, do it in a very productive way. 2-3 दिन जाओ आप, पर कुछ ऐसा करो कि वो मीनिंगफुल लगे. पैसे तो also it's very important that you are giving your money, तो कुछ ऐसा दो ना that will be that should stay with them for a good amount of time.
So with regards to that, now we've made a small effort on our end and we've created something called Sunshine Smiles Club.
Okay.
Where we take children to mini schools or public schools and we give them a birthday like our children would get here, which includes decor, return gifts, food is served by our children.
That's amazing.
And then games are played where prizes are given. So things that our children would, do. So that is happening. Now with regards to what you said,
yes,
how could we better that? Number one, because like I said, education is, now I would probably with the funds collected give an X amount for education of that.
Exactly.
Half a child's education also if those funds are collected.
Yes.
And also, like I said, when you say, what we do is we make our children make those things that are given, one of those things.
See, that's really important. Yes.
So they are actually putting in an effort, not just buying a packet and giving it.
Okay.
So any, tips on how we could help out with Sahay?
Yes.
Also how we could better this?
Okay. So number one, we would love to have your kids coming to Sahay's different centers. We have centers. When I say center, it's a slum, small schools where we have a shade, where we have rented a space in slum, where we have all these kids coming from slum. They study there. We try to, play games with them. But then it's very limited because the teachers that I have or the volunteers that I have or me myself do not have the knowledge that you all have, because the mothers or fathers and you yourself, you have a knowledge of how right now's education system or the games are happening. So, for example, let's say somebody's birthday is tomorrow and they want to come celebrate it at one of our centers. You can bring some games that are puzzle oriented. Or abhi somebody came to in fact Sahay and they did for 2 hours a phonics ka lesson karwaya tha. And I am not kidding. My kids now they are asking my teachers कि मैम पेलू phonics करावड़ावो ने एनाथी हमने easy पढ़े छे. So my teachers were not even knowing what was phonics. But then through YouTube, because they came in the kids of first and second standard, because they must have studied somewhere, and they taught them. So we can create maybe kind of a session where it's a game session or outdoor session you are bringing in. Then when I tell my kids that these kids have prepared cookies for you and they all have chipped in the money, they will be so happy. See, that movement of a dignity is what they deserve. You don't have to do a ₹1 crore ka donation. But when other kids of good schools are coming, they know that, oh, he must be studying in a very good school.
Got it.
But he made a biscuit for me. He is playing game with me. He thinks I'm important and equal enough to play games with him. तो वो जो dignity का सवाल होता है ना, that is very important. So for Sahai kids, you come, you bring some valuable games जिससे वो लोग को if they can learn a lesson or something, it will be very important. And I think I've seen a couple of reels also that you have been doing it. We can do it at our Anganwadis also, जहाँ पे nutrition matter करता है. Government is providing that, but we would also want that अपनी कोई return gift जाए and they will be like, oh कितनी सुंदर है gift. तो आंगनवाड़ी के बच्चे तो they are 6 and below 6. So you are most welcome. Your parents, your kids, they can see the infrastructure, and in this way they will be having a lot of gratitude for what they have.
Got it.
See, parents को यही करना है that you don't have to teach them pity, because that will be a reverse kind of a psychology. You have to teach them gratitude. कि ये देख ये कितना गरीब है, तुझे मैं किसने पैसे देती हूँ. That's not how it works. Say, let's share your privileges with this kid, and eventually your kid will automatically become thankful for what he or she has. Take every month, no? तो इससे फर्क पड़ेगा. So that's how you can come to Sahai, to Anganwadis, and when they will see them, they will become part of it. I think automatically हमको भी help हो जाएगी, parents को भी help हो जाएगी.
And हमारे बच्चों को भी.
Yes,
That's
absolutely. So this is how I can take off.
So I think these are the optimal, if we were to break it down, steps as to raise a child with gratitude. You can
Yes,
start like,
and pity will not work. कि देखो बेचारा कितना गरीब है. That won't work. And that's not what even people like me, or let's say Kinjal from Shivas or Radhika auntie, everyone is running. तो वो लोग नहीं चाहते कि तुम pity feel करो. Everyone wants that. Come from the place of gratitude, and then वो automatically gratitude हो जाता है.
All right. So on that note, Zeel, I think this has been the most important podcast that we will do. And I think it's a great way to kickstart 2026, and it's going to be our first podcast of 2026. And I hope that entire year, this is what I want for that whole year, giving back as much as we can. And I hope Sunshine Lab stands true. I hope all your things that you're doing, they're very, very fruitful in 2026. And here's to hoping it's a year full of gratitude and a year full of personal growth. Thank you for doing this for us.
Thank you so much for inviting me, having over, so that we can spread this word around. Thank you so much.
Thank you.